In this video, I will show you how to add a new domain in your Namecheap hosting. As you can see here, I have bought the Stellar Plus hosting package. And then for the Stellar Plus, if you check here, you see that you can host unlimited website. I can host unlimited website. So it means that if I am already hosting one website, I can add more website to it. So to do that, you log into your Namecheap dashboard and then you come to you see hosting list. Okay. If you come to hosting list, then you see the hosting package that you've bought. Then you click on manage. Then you click on go to cPanel. Asking me to log in. So let me just log in. It takes you to the cPanel. Then when you go to cPanel, scroll down to domains. So when you get to domains, you click on the domains, and then it will bring you here. Then you will see create new domain. So when you see create new domain, just like what you've seen, click on create. Then you'll be asked to put the name of the domain here, the new domain you want to host on your hosting package. So for example, if it is myexample.com, then you type that, then come and click on submit. Because I didn't type anything here, it won't allow me to submit. But if you type the name of the domain here, you click on submit. Then it will submit. After it submit and create the domain for you, when you come, you will now see something like what you're seeing here. All these are other domains I've created. This is the primary domain or the main domain. These are other domains I've created. So you will see something like this after you've created it. Then if you want to log into it as an example, you now come and then click here. Okay, it's taking me to the website. I don't want to log in now, but I want to go to the I don't want to go to the front end. I want to log into the WordPress admin dashboard. So when you click, it will take you to the website itself. I want to show you how to install WordPress. So let's go back one step. So after you go back, you come here and click on WordPress. Then when you come here, you'll be asked to their current installation. So you click on install now. Then you select the new domain you just installed. So for example, if it is this one, I just select it. Then you come here and put your site name and the description of your website. And then you also put your admin username and then a password. Then after that, you click on install. So when you click on install, it is going to install it for you. After it is done installing, you will see login to WordPress admin dashboard. And when you click on it, it will log you in to the WordPress admin dashboard. In other words, this is where it will bring you. I just want to show you. After you have installed it and finished, okay, it will take you to something like this. Let me just show you. You will see overview or go to WordPress admin dashboard. Then you can come here. This is where it will bring you. This is where it will bring you. Yeah. Then now you can begin building your website right away. But before I forget, let me show you this. Before I forget, remember to come here under your hosting. Go to domain list. Before you even start the process, come to the name service under your main or your primary domain, and then click here. Normally by default, it will be Namecheap basic DNS. So you change it to Namecheap web hosting DNS. And then after you click on it, when you click on it, you will see a blue check here. So you click on the blue check to mark it or to save it before you go through the entire process, because if you don't select Namecheap web hosting DNS, and it will not work for you. If you follow these processes, you will be able to add your new domain to your Namecheap web hosting. If you follow it, and then you also want to design your website in WordPress or Elementor, I've done a detailed video on how to do that. You can check it in the description of this video. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me on WhatsApp if you need web design services, if you need digital marketing services. That's exactly what we do. We will help you get excellent digital marketing services and be able to promote your business. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.